and then so I have show another editing tricks watching the movie Misa kwan ya faso ye no as a content creator na video editor no maybe a we be the first of all this video I show you maybe step by step I also bit me I edit it ebi nti yenko your CapCut app no so after say you shoot a video na we no you call na ya bobo new project a new project and I have selected a video na you can shoot to the other no this is the
thing so
now our the about or CapCut so you can record the video no video in the video you be recording into two scenes and you be delete once I'm creating into two scenes so the you spread here you divide the video into two na you delete this middle anyway we am page akunya na free one you will delete here in free. I hope so follow the process now. Yes. Maybe I'm at home. Na you delete middle one. Good. Na so you delete. You man in kababi ana. You delete this first part. So video no be say. You delete the last part will be a your corner. You delete. Na you ma we me overlay. Uboso ano. Oba asi ano be select overlay. Na pa drag no. Edi abe che anim. So NQ and ready kakra. Then delete this part. Ini na nyepe. So ini na nyepe. Good. So you be the second layer. You be akoyi background. And you be back cut out and I remove background. So you be select remove background. Now and the background. So saying I about the same layer so good. So you see over increasing way na man high kasi the second layer like this the play again
recording for
see neighbor so and the baby book in the born like this side now ya cut it now ya go freeze now ya go freeze now ya freeze you yes we have deleted the last part now. The BBC. Take your man. Yes. So you may go freezing so na you down and you style. Then I select the particle. Then select this one. Inility akakra. Okay. Inility hano. Okay.
Une buona no.
Every anti hano. Enko select way. In fact, amano. You can reduce the volume. You noise be and free. To say never. This is how I did never. At the abono. No. So, you can cover sound effect right. Yeah, down. Down you have a select effect. You go audio you have a select effect. You can select disappear. So now you have boss it. We play your hand here, check it. Yes, you can select this first one. So you have sound and then copy. Good. No. No. Free. Play. So, I Tech Pro GH with me subscribe to my Facebook Tech Pro GH or YouTube. And we are now save. And he had no crowd with me add the effect to be sound effect to be like say be a effect we waiting effect sound effect. Play. So, I cut it. Now, reduce volume. Create volume no sorry. So, the abesha. No. Very. Ni hands over import. Import. Very. This is how this simple